In this video, I am going to show you guys why this pump that we are currently seeing is misleading. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with PHEMEX and BYBIT, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, medyo masakit na nga yung lalamunan ko, and I think obvious naman, but I'm still going to make this video for you guys kasi of course we don't want to get wrecked with the crypto market, and of course we want to prepare for the upcoming next big move with Bitcoin. And as much as possible, we also want to take advantage of this next big trade. And yeah, right now I'm also going to switch into Tagalog na rin or Taglish, because I have asked you guys regarding what language should I be using. So yeah, right now I'm going to use Taglish moving forward for the time being. And yeah, I think it's now time to dive in with the Bitcoin price action, because right now I think this is a crucial thing which we need to discuss, which is the current pump that we are currently seeing right now. And if you recall, guys, in the latest videos, we mentioned that we have seen a bullish cross in the daily time frame. So that was the only thing that's causing this pump. At the same time, if you're going to look at this in the daily time frame RSI, we became oversold in the daily time frame RSI. So that's why we have been seeing that very short-term reversal. However, as what I've been telling you guys, 'di ba? Ang ine-expect ko muna is bumagsak siya man lang ng one last push to the downside. Para mangyari dyan is mag-form siya ng bullish divergence, tapos saka tayo aakyat at magpo-form ng dead cat bounce, which is right now, I think it's not happening right now. Ang nangyayari na lang actually ngayon is dumiretso na lang siya paakyat instead of forming that bullish divergence. So I think this is much bad, or this is much worse than what you think, guys. Because if you want to see a healthy increase ni Bitcoin, if gusto niyo maging healthy pag-akit ng Bitcoin, of course, mas important na magkaroon man lang siya ng bullish divergence or bullish indicators in the smaller time frames. But rather, ang nangyari is wala naman nangyaring bullish indicators, tapos patuloy-tuloy siyang umaakit ngayon. So in this case, this could be somewhat forming a momentum para lalong bumagsak si Bitcoin. So in this case, ano ba yung momentum na pina-form niya? That is this 50-week moving average, because if you're going to look back in time, the last time Bitcoin went below the 50-week moving average, which is this time ng previous bear market, we saw Bitcoin made a one last move back to the 50-week moving average before making that one and final massive crash to the 200-week moving average. And right now, as you can see, Bitcoin is about to form that touch, yung pabalik na movement back to the 50-week moving average. And if bumalik tayo doon, then of course, that could indicate that we might see Bitcoin go down to the downside, to the 50, to the 200-week moving average. So I think right now, this is a very big warning. Maganda siguro tingnan dito ano yung resistance area na pwede natin gawin, kasi right now, I want to add more short position for my long-term trade. And in order for me to do that, I have to find a entry area or entry price area. So in this case, ano ba yung magiging entry na pinakang okay? So if you're going to look at this, we are forming a resistance around the 95,000 US dollars and between the 101,000 US dollars. So if you are going to add a long-term short position, ang pinaka okay dyan is actually mag-enter around the 95,000 US dollars and 101,000 US dollars. Dyan yung magandang entry for a very good long-term short position. Now, on top of that, if you are also holding any altcoins, or still you are still holding Bitcoin, then if Bitcoin touches the 95,000 or 100K, dun also din maganda mag-exit ng
mga spot wallet nyo, spot, and mga iba't ibang spot na portfolio nyo para kahit paano maka-exit kayo one last time before Bitcoin goes to the downside. I think the mindset that you should be thinking here, guys, is when is this dead cat bounce gonna form? Hindi yung when are we gonna make a new all-time high? Because I think if you're going to focus on forming a new all-time high, then I think in denial ka pa din hanggang sa ngayon kasi bearish na ngayon buong market, bearish na ngayon buong indicators, tapos ang iniisip mo pa rin is all-time high, then I don't know what you can expect na for the next few months. But looking at the indicators itself, it's already bearish. So what you should be looking here is when are we going to see the dead cat bounce? Because of course, the 50-week moving average here is going to be a crucial resistance area dito. And the only time na magiging mali yung analysis natin, or the only time na we can say that this analysis is invalidated, is if Bitcoin breaks the 100, siguro around the 116,000 or 115,000. That would be my invalidation point. If let's say Bitcoin breaks that area, then okay, I'm wrong. But right now, it's looking like it's going to follow what Bitcoin has always been doing. Yung 50-week moving average is going to be the resistance, and then that is going to act as the start of the massive bear market, or actually just a continuation of this long-term Bitcoin bear market. I think that's all the update. I'm currently in Bangkok, Thailand, and ang sama-sama na pakiramdam ko. So, hopefully, gumaling ako ngayon kasi of course, I wanna go out din dito. And I guess that's all the update for the time being. I'll try to make an update video by tomorrow. Make sure, guys, that you trade this with the trading platforms that I have in the description down below. Because of course, we are going to have raffles. We are going to have merch in the upcoming days. So yeah, make sure to use my sign up link in the description down below if you want to be a part of those raffle, because I am requiring all of those participants to sign up with my links para of course you are also entitled to those raffles. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.